Now, this will be my very first time sailing on this cruise line that does get, admittedly, some mixed reviews, but I am very excited to try it for myself. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you our upcoming cruise and all of the details. But first, let me say, we just got back from the Sun Princess. I really enjoyed that cruise. I am putting together all of the film, all of the details, so I can give you a pretty good review of what I really loved and maybe some of the things that I thought were perhaps a little bit of misses. That video will be coming up soon. But first, if you are here for the first time, hi there, my name is Ilana. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Now, this video is a little bit of a personal as well as a channel update, especially in terms of our upcoming cruise. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention that if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Now, a little bit of personal business. You might want to skip ahead if you're not that interested in this, but our home is being renovated. We came back and it really is looking a little bit further ahead. I think we probably have another month or so to go, and then the home will be all finished. Now, I'll show you a little look around because some people had asked about it. It really is in the midst of the project, but basically we redid the kitchen, so it's completely new. And of course, one thing leads to another, and we decided to open up a couple of walls. We decided to go from our darker floors to have them sanded and to go with lighter floors and lighter stairs. We're going to have a glass railing installed, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. When it's all done, I will show you it all. Now, moving on to something a lot of people have asked me about, especially in recent videos. Where am I getting my dresses from? A lot of them are from Amazon, and I'll update my Amazon blog post. I think it's called Amazon Cruise Dresses. I'll leave that linked down below in the description of this video, and I'll include a couple of my recent finds. If you would like another Amazon video with dresses and other travel items that I've purchased recently, please let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you've skipped ahead, that's okay, because now it's time to talk cruising. So what is our next cruise? To be honest, I was almost a little nervous to say what our next cruise is because there was a little bit of controversy recently. However, we are going to be sailing on MSC Seascape. Now, this is a cruise line we have never sailed with before. And about a year ago, we had some friends that sailed on this exact ship, and they actually had a really good time, and they had a lot of really good things to say. So we decided to book this. We've actually booked it several months ago. And I did want to let you know, first of all, one thing, we are going to be filming on board. We have been in touch with MSC, and we've been told that this won't be an issue. Now, by the way, this is a cruise that we've paid for ourselves. I'm going to be staying in a balcony cabin, although I did look at the yacht club because I am definitely very interested in the yacht club. I did think that for our very first cruise on MSC, I wanted to experience sort of a regular cruise, if you will. By the way, before I go on a cruise, I usually do reach out to the cruise line a couple of weeks before just to let them know that I am going to be on board, that I am going to be filming, and in case there is any information that they think can be helpful for me to know before I get on board. Now, sometimes they write me back, sometimes they don't, but I always do feel good about sharing that I will be on board. Now, time is going so fast. We're actually leaving in just a little bit more than a week, and we will be sailing again on MSC Seascape. We're going to be leaving from Miami. It's a 7-day Caribbean cruise. Our ports of call are Nassau, Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Ocean Key Marine Reserve. Now, I am particularly excited about going back to San Juan. It's been quite a few years, and I think I'm probably just going to walk around. If you have any ideas of what to do there other than just walking around, please let me know down in the comments below. And I'm really excited to see Ocean Key Marine Reserve. I've actually heard so many good comments about it. I'm not sure what I'll do in Puerto Plata. I may just stay on board in Nassau. In any case, let me know, please, if you've been to any of these ports. If you have some recommendations, I really would love to hear them. Now, I'm particularly excited about cruising on this MSC ship, well, for a few reasons. Firstly, I know that MSC Cruises are becoming more popular, and their ships, I've seen them, are really very beautiful. In fact, I can't wait to take a photo along that gorgeous crystal staircase. Now, I'm intentionally trying not to look at any of the recent reviews of any MSC cruises because I really do want to judge for myself. And I think, like a lot of people, I've been looking at the prices of cruises over the last year, and I do think that MSC is probably one of the more affordable options. And for this reason, I'm really excited to see what you get and what the value of an MSC cruise really is. Now, I'm also excited to try the pizza on MSC because I am definitely a cruise pizza lover. And I have heard that their pizza is particularly good. Now, we will be flying again, so I am not driving to this cruise. And we have something that's actually coming up right after this cruise. I'm going to share that with you, I guess, a little bit closer. So probably in about a week or so, I'll share with you what is coming next. But it really is a pretty exciting couple of weeks. Now, I really would love to hear from you. What are the things that you would like to know about this MSC cruise? Please let me know down in the comments below. If you have questions about the food, about the ship, about the entertainment, I want to hear it all so that I can share it with you both on social media and in a future video. Now, I am going to leave a link down below this video with all of my Amazon cruise dresses, including some of my recent finds, and I'm going to leave a video right after this one. That is my first impressions of Sun Princess. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.